Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Davis. I hope you all are doing well. I'm feeling a bit better myself, so I'm happy to report on that. So today though, I wanted to talk to you about changing mixed numbers to improper fractions. So a mixed number is a number when we have a whole number and a fraction together. So it's a mixed number because it's part whole number, part fraction. So we're going to turn these into improper fractions. And maybe this is something you did last year and you kind of remember and just need to review. Or maybe it's something that's new for you. Either way, this video will help you out. So there are actually 3 steps to doing this. So if I have a number, like the mixed number 2 2/5, the first step is to rewrite the denominator. So the nice part of this is the denominator is always going to stay the same. So on 2 2/5 here, I'm going to rewrite this as a 5 on the bottom here because that 5 is going to stay the same. So I had a 5 here, so it's staying a 5 over here. So the only thing I have to figure out now is my numerator. So here we go. The next step is we're going to multiply the whole number and the denominator. So right here, my whole number is 2, my denominator is 5. So we're going to multiply those, which is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. We're not done yet, we have to go to step 3. Step 3 says to add the numerator to the product from step 2. So the product is the answer to the multiplication problem. So we just did 2 times 5, which was 10, and now it's saying that we need to add this numerator of 2. So we have 2 times 5, which was 10. Then if we add the 2, that's 12. So this is the new numerator. So my answer here, 2 2/5, is equal to 12/5. All right, let's take a look at a couple more examples. So if I have 5 1/3, 5 1/3. So remember, the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite the denominator because that's not going to change. So I'm going to rewrite it, that 3 over here, as the new denominator for our improper fraction. Now we're going to multiply the whole number times the denominator here. So 5 times 3, and that's 15. Once we have that, though, we have to add this numerator. So 15 plus 1 will give us 16. So 5 1/3 is equal to 16 thirds. Okay? Let's try this one. 3 2/3. Again, before I forget, first thing I'm going to do is bring that denominator over. So that 3 is coming right over here. And now we're going to multiply the whole number with the denominator. So 3 times 3 is 9. Good. Now we have to add this numerator. So 3 times 3 was 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So we got 11 thirds here. Now notice these are all becoming improper fractions. Improper fractions just means the numerator is larger than the denominator. All right, our last example here. We have 1 5/8. So think about what you would do here. See if you can come up with it in your head. 1 5/8. Okay, let's see if you come up with the right answer. Hopefully the first thing you thought of is that 8's going to stay as your denominator. And then the next thing you should have done is multiply your 1 times 8. Then we're going to plus that 5 on the top. So 1 times 8, we're multiplying these two. That's 8. And then we add this 5. So 8 plus 5 gives us 13. So 13/8. But I got a feeling a lot of you probably got that too, on your own. All right, so today, your assignment to get credit for being in class today is watching this video, and then the second part is going to be to log on to Alex, and there's an actual assignment that I've created, is doing 5 problems just like this on Alex. So in order to get marked for attendance today, you need to do that assignment. If you don't do it, it's like you're absent from class today. So make sure you're getting it done so you don't get marked absent. All right? I'm going to post another really short video on how to access Alex, just to make sure you're all getting on there and doing the correct assignment. Now, if you haven't finished your knowledge check, you need to do that before you can do any other assignment. So get on Alex today. All right. Take care, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye.